This is the kind of summer toy activity that I can get behind and is guaranteed to get everybody outside and having fun. I want to thank the brand for sending these over for me to try out. So these are the 600cc water toys, and this set comes with 4, which is perfect because nobody wants to sit and watch everybody else having all the fun. So I'm going to show you each of these color options first, and I love that they're all bright, fun, and easy to tell apart, especially if you have a few kids or adults joining in. One thing I really like about these is how easy they are to fill. You don't want to deal with anything complicated when, everybody's ready to play and they want to get going. These are super simple to get filled up and back into the action fast. Your kids, if they are playing with them, should easily be able to do it independently. I really love how far the water stream goes. It's got this nice pump action, and that's what makes these so fun. They have a really nice range, so they're great for backyard play, pool days, beach days, or just cooling outside during the summer. These would be great fun for siblings, family parties, cookouts, or just a casual water fight in the yard. Overall, I'm going to say these are a great summer fun item. Definitely one that I recommend if you're looking for an easy way to add some fun outdoors to your summer. Highly recommend. These are definitely one to check out.